Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. So today is a bright day, today is a bright morning. Today I've started off very well. I just came and grandma said she's going to be preparing pounded yam and white soup today. So it's been a long time I ate pounded yam and white soup. I think the last time should be when we were in Lagos. I was in secondary school. That's the last time. Not like I've not been eating white soup, I've been eating, but it's not the one my mother cooks. You know how mother's food are so sweet. So I'm so excited. I mean, at least I'm going to be eating that before I go back to where I came back from. So we are starting out today. I'll be peeling the yam, and then my mom is going to be taking care of the chicken. We are just doing division of labor basically, and Ellen too is going to be participating in this cooking, because you know mothers now, they can't be cooking and then you are there sitting down or watching film or pressing phone. Especially you have to participate, even though it means just sitting down there and doing nothing. But we are going to be doing everything together, so I hope that you're going to enjoy this vlog. This is our own method of cooking white soup and pounded yam, and I'm glad to show you guys how it is done here. In our place we call it afiai fereonin, means chicken white soup. Igbo call it ofe nsala, and the English name is just white soup. So enjoy this vlog, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and see you guys. Let's just get right to the video.
All right guys, so we are right now we are in the kitchen. So we are preparing the things that we are going to use for the cooking. Yes. My MTN girl is peeling the ginger and the garlic. We are going to use this to season the meat for frying, not the one for the pounded yam soup. That is the afia fere. So while that is going on, my baby girl Kemzi is peeling the yam. So there's division of labor.
Exactly, division of labor.
Yeah.
So I'm peeling the yam. This is the yam we are going to be using for the pounded yam. This is new yam.
No, it's not a new yam, it's an old yam. So it's very strong, very hard.
Okay.
So it's very dry.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what if we use new yam? What will happen? Will it not pound?
It will pound, but the pounded yam will not be,
pounded.
No, it will be pounded, but it will not be strong.
It will not be bold
enough. It will not be
like gari.
Yes, it will be scattering.
That's
to be soft in the hand. The dough will not be strong.
Yeah. So we are using yam, this quantity of yam, because we like to mix it with gari.
Yes.
Which one is yes now?
Yeah, it's now.
Okay. So we're making our own yam. I don't know, most people, I think this is the only method people use. You just peel the yam, then you boil the yam, then when the yam is boiled enough, you have to pound it
when it's soft enough.
And this is the easiest, and this is the most authentic pounded yam. Most people use powdered pounded yam. That one is a big lie.
So you know that some people will say because we don't have money to buy the powdered pounded, that is why we say that it's not good.
That's not true.
It's not true,
because this one is more expensive and this one takes time and energy. So in fact that one is faster and easier, but this one is the real one. So
that one is good for students.
That one is for lazy people.
It's for lazy people and students.
Yes.
And in fact there is no how you make that yam flour. It can never be like this original one.
Taste like this.
It can never.
There's no way you will give a king that kind of thing to eat, like a prestigious person. Cannot give that kind of person.
They will give, but in my place they don't do it. We don't. Pound it with mortar.
Yes.
Pound it with mortar. You get the real pounded
and then
yam.
You use the head of that the head of this yam.
The head of yes.
Chicken that.
Give me the head.
That's ofe.
That is this it would be. This is the head of the yam. We have to peel it, cook it, and cut it small so that it will get cooked soon or easily,
Exactly.
and then pound it and use it to thicken the
that
soup.
soup. So that
So
to be
this is
giving
what
you that nice
Yes,
taste.
this is what I'm going
Not
to
that
use.
your poundo yam.
That is
That's not it.
You say not that your. Don't say that. Not that your. Because there are so many people who like that one, no. Because they don't have time for this one, no.
Yes. Now,
You have
if
time.
they have opportunity, they will like. They will want this one.
They will
It's just
prefer
the
this
stress.
one.
They don't want to get themselves.
You like this one because you are a village
I
girl
don't
now.
like it, oh. I don't like this one, no.
I like this one. I like this one.
I like to eat this one. But if I were alone, is that one
prefer the other one.
But deep down in my heart, I know that this one is the real.
It's the original. This one, if no be Panadol, it can never be like Panadol. So this is the original. Meanwhile, while they are doing their own, let me go and wash my chicken. No?
Yes.
All right, guys. So I am set. I finished washing the meat. This is how it is. I'm going to start seasoning it. So I'm going to add some seasonings. This is chicken flavor. And this is thyme. I'm going to add the ginger and garlic. And some seasonings. These are seasoning cubes.
Yeah, what I am.
I'm rinsing the mortar. Chopped onions and salt to taste. African woman must use hand to make sure those things are properly done. So you can use your spoon, oh please. So I have to stir all together and allow it to mix before putting it on the fire. Ready? Hmm?
Hi. Give me.
This is the one I'm going to pound to thicken the soup.
And this is the head of the yam.
Yes, so
Because it's the head of the yam that can make it thick. You have to pound it one place so that it will not have cocoa
or lumps.
or lumps.
The head is stronger than the body.
You can see pounding it is not easy.
That's
It's
all.
not for the weak. If you cannot pound it, go
not
and
for
buy
the-
pando yam
It's not for the lazy people.
like me.
But we enjoy it too.
Eating is sweet now.
No, me, I enjoy pounding it.
Okay.
See now.
So it's ready now.
Yes. This is the thickener. So I'm going to pound the real cocoa, the real pounded yam now.
Ellen, what are you doing?
I'm putting the yam inside the mortar.
Okay. So the color of the yam is like this. The color of the water is like this because we burnt it.
The thing burnt, the pot burnt. We were busy doing toku until the pot is burnt. So I'm going to throw away this water.
But it did not affect the taste of the yam.
At all.
It's still very sweet.
At all.
At all.
Yes. Ooh. It's been long I saw pot burn. It's been long I saw burnt pots.
Yes, Daddy.
The pounded yam is ready, so I'm going to cover this, and so it's time for me to add this uyayak. This is a local spice, so I'm not going to use all because it will be too much. This is the one I'm going to make use of. So I'm going to keep this for further usage while I make use of this. Wow. So I'm going to add this. Immediately after that, I'm going to add the osonefere. This is the yam thickener. I removed the chicken because the chicken is soft enough, so I don't want it to be over soft. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook until this yam dissolves. Wow. Yes, you can see that it's thick enough. So I'm going to add the chicken. Well seasoned and steamed. Oh. Now this chicken was big. Look at the leg. This leg is Kemsi that will eat it too. Because we have eaten plenty legs.
Ew.
We are happy. So, the next thing is to put it down and serve. I'm sure you love this video. If you did, don't forget to like, thumbs up, and also share. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.